Is the Webroot Antivirus good? So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will do an honest review and will also be explaining the discounts that will be available in the description below if you're planning to buy the plans for Webroot. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. So before we start, again, there will be a special link in the description below which can allow you to avail for the special 50% off discount right here in Webroot. So when I scroll down right here in the plans, so as you can see, all the plans right here have discounts if you click on the description below. So first let's start off with the review. So this review right here was made by experts and they tested Webroot with some software to see if Webroot still stacks up today. So they said right here that Webroot is a solid antivirus program, but they're not sure how much they can rely on it. So Webroot, it's quick and has deep scans, but there were some scans that Webroot missed some malicious files, and its most recent third-party results from AV tests and AV comparatives are several years old now. Although Webroot's most recent AV test and AV comparatives results are lackluster, it has decent results with SE Labs. It also offers everything you need from an antivirus, so it includes like firewalls, multiple scans options, ransomware protection, and more. So here are the pros and cons right here for Webroot. So for the pros, it has a wide range of affordable plans. It passed all the malware and phishing tests, and it has premium tiers including all state ID theft protection. And then its cons are outdated AV test and AV comparatives results, and quick and deep scans may not be as effective. So that's pretty much for the review. Next is let's move on to the discounts. So again, if you click on the link in the description below, you'll be redirected here and where you can avail special discounts when you're going to purchase a plan right here in the Webroot Antivirus. So first is we have the Essentials One Device. So these plans right here are under the individual plans. Webroot has also family plans right here if you have a family or a lot of friends or people that you know that also want to chime in with the Webroot Antivirus. So again, let's start off with the Essentials One Device. So in here you can save up to 25% off, and it costs around $37.49 and its original price was $49.99. So in here you can save up to $12. So the features are, it secures PCs, Macs, smartphones, Chromebooks, and tablets. It has always-on protection for online threats like viruses, phishing, and ransomware. It has lightning-fast scans without interruption, firewall and network monitor, and it has a web threat shield, so this one just blocks risky sites. And then it also has privacy protection, which protects logins and passwords. Moving on is we have the Essentials 3 device, so in here you can save up to 25% off as well. So this one will cost you around $52.49 and its original price was $69.99. So in here you can save up to $17. So the features are pretty much the same with the Essentials 1 device, but the only main difference is that this one supports 3 devices and the previous plan will just support 1 device. So next is we have the premium plan. So in here you can save up to 40% off. So this one is $77.99 and then its original price was $129.99. So in here you can save up to $52. So the features are pretty much the same, but it has additional features like under privacy protection, it eliminates traces of online activity, cleans up digital clutter, and it also has identity protection like identity monitoring for one individual, dark web monitoring, financial and credit bureau monitoring, 24/7 US-based support with identity restoration experts, and up to $1 million fraud expense reimbursement. And then next is lastly, we have the total protection plan. So this one can support up to 5 devices. So in here you can save up to 50% off. So this one will cost you around $89.99 and its original price was $179. So in here you can save up to $60. So the features are pretty much the same with the previous ones, but it has additional feature right here, which is data protection. So in here you can back up and restore unlimited cloud storage for one PC or Mac. So that's pretty much for the individual plans. Next is we have the family plan. So under the family plans, it has 3 plans right here. So first is we have the Essentials 5 device. So this one, you can save up to 25% off, and it will cost you around $67.49, and its original price was $89.99. So in here, you can save up to $22. So its features are pretty much the same with the Essentials 3 and Essentials 1 device. The only main difference is that this one supports 5 devices. Next is we have the Premium Family Plan. So in here, you can save up to 40% off. So its price is $149.99, and its original price was $249.99. So in here, you can save up to $100. So the features right here are the same with the premium plan right here from the individual plans. And then lastly is we have the Total Protection Family Plan right here, and where you can save up to 50% off. So in here, you can have up to 10 devices and 10 identities, and its price is $149.99 a month, and its original price is $299.99 a month. So as you can see right here, that the Total Protection Family and the Premium Family Plan are pretty much the same price. They're both priced $149.99, and the difference is that the Total Protection Family Plan has data protection, and where you can back up and restore data with unlimited cloud storage for one PC or Mac. And then after that, that's pretty much it. So yeah, again, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can avail these discounts when you're planning to buy these plans right here in Webroot Antivirus. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.